Hello everyone, welcome back to Dev Diaries. And today topics about comments and what is comments, why and when, and how we will use comments, type of comments. So first of all, this is a comments. So let's first say what is comments. Comments is just you are trying to describe this line of code or this lines of code or this function or your code, what your code does or what this function does. Detailed one or just a summary information about this file, who created this file, the date, when this file created, and so on. So comments are exist to describe a function, a file, a line of code or lines of code. Okay, when, why, and how we will use comments. And what is type of comments? First, when we will use comments, as we just said now, we need to use comments when we have function or we have lines of code or we have a file and we want to describe this file in details, or what this function does or what this lines of code does. Why do we need really to describe this function or this file or this lines of code? Because first of all, if your team wanted to take a look on your code or wanted to edit on your code or to add some stuff on your code, they have to, when they look at your code, they understand what you have written in your code or what this function does, or what is what this all code is about. So the first of all, because if anyone else wanted to work on this code or wanted to contribute, wanted to edit, wanted to remove something or change something in the code, he should, when he take a look in this code, he really understands this code or this lines of code or this function. Okay, and also there's something else. For example, if you have a function, let's say print hello world. This is simple function, but if you have this function but you don't want it to run, not right now, or you don't want to run this function right now, instead of just writing it and then deleting it then writing it again, you can just code it at the first. You can just code it to stop it from running, and when you need it to run, just uncomment it again. Okay. Okay, and how we will use comments. The first, we have three type of comments. The first one, first of all, how we will use comments. You can just write this hash and say this is a comment, this is a comment. Okay, this is how you make a comment. We have three types of comments. The first one is single comment, a single line comment. Single line comment is like this is a single line comment. If you want multiple lines, it's just like that. You put this hash in many lines and you write your comments. This is many line comments. And we have something called inline comments. That means you just you have a code, and just near to this code you write this is an inline comment. Okay, so we have three types. The first one is single line comment or multiple line comment, like this, all of these like multiple line comments, or inline comment, which is near to the code or next to the code. So right now we want to say whenever or as long as you see your comment is benefit or is important for someone else, or will make or someone else understand your code, how your code run, how this file, what's the content inside this file, or why do we need this function or what this function does. So just write it. But if you feel your code just uh, really doesn't matter if it is exist or not, it doesn't give a valuable information, like for example one of bad comments, like print hello world. So this function print hello world. just is a one example of bad code. Just you come here and say function this function will print hello world. This is not a good comment, this is a bad comment. Why? Because it's just known that this function will return or will print hello world, so you don't need really to write this function will print hello world. So we have a bad comment and good comment. The good comment, which was this one, was describe the code or the file or the function, give detailed or summary description about something. But the bad comment is something like if it is exist or not exist, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now today we talk what is comment, when and why, and how we will use comment and type of comments, and that's it for now.